So hey y'all, I know hopefully you saw my last little promo for this video. Girl is broke, okay? I was supposed to do this video a whole year ago, but I'm still broke. I want to get my nails done, but it's always something. Either my nail polish never stays on, whether it's acrylic or not, my nails break off, they're overpriced, or it's just something absurd. Or like when the nail artist is prepping my nails, I probably have sensitive nail beds or something, it like burns or something. So I was like, okay, you know, I still would like to get my nails done, but I also want to know how to do my own nails. So I had got me a few things off Amazon. This is one of them. Now these two that I'm showing you, they have like whole nail kits in there. This one comes with the polishes and like the light, and it's just a good little set. So we're gonna go ahead and start the video, and I'm gonna try to get a different, hold on, I'm gonna try to get a different camera angle so you can actually see my nails. Hopefully I don't do a voiceover, fingers crossed, but if it does, then I mean, y'all should know the drill by now. Like, come on now. Okay, now I did try to crack this open before, but I might have, I don't know. I just wanted to give this a try and actually get it on camera this time for you guys. Everything. So it starts off with the nail light. It's pretty strong, and then inside it has two full, oops, that's one, and then it's a whole other one under here. And if I can find a link to this, I will put it on the screen somewhere. And then inside here, it came with like a, I guess a cuticle pusher thing or something like that. Then when I open up this box, it comes with a whole lot of stuff. Like, it came with cuticle oil, it came with like little guides, brush cleaner, I mean not a brush cleaner, a nail cleaner with these little tweezer type things to put stickers on your nails, toe separators, just all that great jazz. They even had something for like when you're trying to do French tip or whatever. And then obviously the light, a buffer, nail files, and just a whole lot. It also came with these little thingies right here for when you're trying to soak your nails off. So I honestly think it's a good beginner kit. My mom got this a few years back. It was a simple electric nail drill. It's a little crazy looking because, I mean, it's been in use for years. And then this kit that you guys saw earlier, it comes with the nail tips, a dehydrator, and the 4-in-1 nail glue, etc. And then there's the nail light that also comes with this one. Some acetone, clean off my nails, and these to basically, I guess, clean up, I guess. So yeah, so I do have my iPad on deck because I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'm okay with that. But I'm going to go ahead and, I guess, look up a couple videos, and then we're going to get started. So I'm going to move this out the way just so I can start putting everything here, and I'm going to have my video playing on the outside, and I'll be right back. Okay, boom. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead, open this up, and set out all my acrylic tips and figure out which ones fit me and which ones don't. Okay, so boom, I got my little nails out. Of course, I needed the number 2 for my thumbs, but obviously I can't really find them. So I think this is like a 17589, I think. So now that we're done with phase 1, I guess phase 2 is to start prepping the nails. Okay, oop, sorry y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to push my cuticles back. Okay, so I'm gonna push my cuticles back. Don't know if I'm doing this right whatsoever, but I guess. And I am going to use this little buff that came with the kit. Give me little directions too. Kinda. If it'll focus. Oh my gosh. Okay. File. Boom. Alright, so remove ridges. Sure. I'm gonna go ahead and buff because I think I've already done that. Alright, now I'm about to go ahead and get my little acetone. This girl right here. Miss Acetone that I showed y'all earlier. That won't focus, obviously. Well, let me try zooming out. Ooh. Maybe that'll make it easier. Yeah, I think that'll make it easier. Talking about nothing. Y'all, I don't think I got a smooth temper because I just be getting so angry so quick and it just be making me so mad. Like, getting older, and I'm not saying I'm old because, I mean, I don't think I'm old. I don't think I get old until I'm like 70, 80. You know, up there. But my temper with people is so short. You know, especially people who've been around me and they know how I am. It's kind of like, how did you not catch the memo? Like, how are you not understanding? Okay. Side note. Since this is too big, I'm going to have to like file the sides down. Because if you look and see if it'll focus. Basically, since it doesn't want to focus, I'm not about to keep doing this all video. It won't fit on the sides of my nail bed, so I'm going to have to file it down until it does fit. Got my little, I guess, 180 grits. Ooh. And I'm going to be filing that down. I'm going to be filing all these down on the ends on all of these anyway, just so they can look more natural on my nail. Well, some of them already... Okay, I'm going to adjust accordingly as we progress on. Dehydrator. Ding, 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 ding. I'm gonna put it on all my nails. And we're gonna go from there. Boom. I called it right before the camera even died. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna use this dehydrator. Wait. Let me double check. Hold on. Okay, first, before I do this, I lied, y'all. I lied. I have to use the nail thingy. Okay, boom, I'm done. Okay, y'all, now I'm gonna use my dehydrator. Bam, can't tell me nothing. But yeah, I would try to go to like, okay. I would try to go to like independent nail artists who are like up and coming, or just to support small businesses. And I just feel so awkward, like, or it would always be something's wrong every time I would go. And I know everybody's like, oh, but everybody talking about going to the nail salon, getting fungus and infections and stuff. And since my aunt died, I never really went to her to get my nails done anyway, but like, I just, I feel like if I were to get my nails done consistently by somebody, it would be her. But I mean, I played a lot of sports and stuff before she died, and I wasn't one of those like girly girls who just really just did the thing for real. So it was just kind of like, and then she was really sick and died of cancer and stuff like that, so it's just kind of like, gotcha, I can't help that. I cannot. But anywho, yep, definitely not ambidextrous. Alright, now to the fun part. I have my little light on the side. You press a little button and boom, period. Okay, so I think this is the part where I'm supposed to be like, I'm gonna put some on my nail and put some. So this is the form one for nail glue for nail tip. I don't know what the 4 things are. I actually lost the little thing that came with this because I was just so excited. So it was like, put some on your nail and then put it under the thing for like 30 seconds. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that. Not really good at painting nails, so I don't know how I thought this was going to go, honestly. So yeah. I'm trying to see what else. This is what came in a little bag and whatnot. I got nail art. I kind of want to try to do French tip. I kind of want to do French tip. I think I'm going to do French tip today. And we're going to pray for the best. Because honestly, if all else fails, I'm going to just cry. I'm gonna just cry. Boo-hoo. Crying now. I'm gonna still cry even more. That toe thing up. That means I need to do a nice nude pink and a white. So now the extra fun part. So it comes in. We are both going to be looking for the colors. Now I automatically need. Let me take these out before I get to really just yakking. Now, before we even start, I'm going to automatically need these two. These two soak off. Ooh, soak off? Wow, really? Is it soak off? Oh, no, I'm slow. It's backwards. Sorry, y'all. Need these two. So this is golly. This is this is a top coat. I am automatically gonna need. And this is the base coat. This is the base coat. Alright. Black. Found the white. Gonna need that one. It's red. Go from there. I think this is pretty. Wow, that was kind of quick. Let me see. I think this is pretty close to my like natural nail color. Now, got these. Let me put these up. to be honest, y'all, after all that, I didn't want to correct anything. It took me like 2 hours to like even get that far. And I know I'm a beginner, but I was just so disappointed. So I took them off and I didn't take pictures. And yeah, me personally, because I get frustrated very easily, I'm gonna rate it a good 7 out of 10. Simply because I had mostly everything that I needed. It's just, I can't paint nails no way. And I don't know why I thought Gel-X was gonna be the way to go. But I still need to practice, so I guess I'll bump it up to like an 8, 9. Because the items were pretty good. I like the lamp. Everything was just perfect. And I think it's just a user error. But this is not going to be my last time trying it. It's just going to be a little while before I try doing that. I think for my next nail video, I'm going to try to do press-ons. Because I'm just trying to glue something on and make it look natural. I'm not trying to do all the extra steps. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed my little video. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.